back with us inside the Inares Center in Antipolo, kung saan itong Barako Bull Energy has doubled up on Blackwater. Behind this beautiful layup by Jake Pascual. Ganda talaga ng pinakita niyang kilos. Sabi nga nito, hindi pang rookie yan. And for more on this young gun, balik tayo kay Jack.
Kayang pasasalamat at sa kumpiyansa at playing time na binibigay sa kanya ng coaching staff sa Barako Bull. Pero the adjustment continues daw para dito kay Jake Pascual. Hirap daw siya dahil undersized siya dito sa liga na to sa posisyon niya. Pero sabi niya rin naman na sanay na rin naman siya going up against the foreign imports in the NCAA. Although he admits na ibang level na raw talaga dito sa PBA. Kaya naman the betterment process continues for Jake Pascual. Balik sa inyo.
Last 3 games, double-double na average, Doc, no?
Yeah, that's being humble, yeah. Totoo talaga ibang laban dito. That's a 3-point attempt by Jorrella, just a little bit short here. We saw Dorian Peña also behind the bench, and I was asking him how will you said, I might be able to play next game. They're also anticipating they'll get into the quarterfinals, so they do need to give him some games if he's gonna help them, no?
Loko rin to si Dorian. Sabi niya kanina sa akin, off the record, December 2. Tapos sa'yo, pwede?
Maybe next game daw, sabi. Maybe naman, hindi naman niya ako.
18-9 is the score. Barako Bull will be back against NLEX in their next assignment. That's December 2. And then Pure Foods at December 6 to round out their schedule. Ito namang Blackwater has Talk-N-Tex on the 29th and San Miguel Beerman on December 9 as the remaining 2 games.
Well, those are very tough games. Maybe it's really now or never for them in this ball game, even just to pick up a victory here in this tournament. Because syempre, alam mo naman yung dalawang yun, lumalaban sa 1 and 2 yun. So all the way yan, laban ng laban yan.
Willie takes care of that first free throw as we send it back to Judd.
Magsimula ang laro, nakakausap ko si Og Jimenor at saka si Alex Nules at you can tell na mababa ang kanilang confidence coming into this game. Tinatanong ko sila about their quarterfinals chance still being alive. Pero umiiling lang yung dalawa. Sinasabi kasi nila mabigat naman daw yung laban after nito, Talk-N-Tex and then San Miguel. Pero ang paalala daw sa kanila ni Coach Leo Isaac, ito na nga yung game na pinakamalaki ang chance na nating manalo. Kunin na natin to. Magu?
How hard is it to focus on just this 148-minute task at hand, though?
Kaya, there's no problem there. You just have to focus and then do the things that you're doing. Right now, the shots are not falling for you, but eventually it's gonna come. So far, we have not seen the presence of Alex Nuiles in the game, as well as Larry Rodriguez. No? Some of the key players that we know are very capable of giving you big scores. They have not been used in this ball game. Kwame Chongson pa lang nasa backcourt kasama ni Jorrella.
Pinasok na, no? As Eram is looking for Minor. Shot clock para sa mga nakaputi. Down to 6 seconds. Chongson has to realize it. He puts up a 3. Ubra. Eram trying to keep it on that side. Lanete whistled for last touch. Isang binabanggit sa atin, Doc, ng kapitan ng Blackwater na si Eddie Laure, there are certain points in the game na feeling nila ng mga veterano na hindi sila on the same page ng mga bata. At ang gusto lang niya, lumaban sila ng sabay-sabay sa sistema ni Coach Leo Isaac. Minsan nakakalimutan daw ng mga younger players nila.
That happens. No? So the important thing there is the leadership quality, no? That you're able to communicate to your teammates kung ano ba dapat yung ginagawa. Hindi kanya-kanya tayong laro dito. Hindi tayo mananalo. No?
Yun yung binabanggit ni Eddie, ni Kuya Eddie. No? Isa pa, parang nawawala daw kumpiyansa nung iba. Dahil alam naman natin na karamihan sa kanila role player mula sa mga ibang team dito sa PBA bago sila nakuha sa expansion draft or free agency. Pinapaliwanag nga daw niya siya kasi nanggaling na siya sa starter, heavy minutes, key player, hanggang sa napunta sa bangko, hanggang sa naging tama lang ang nagiging laro, napagdaanan niya lahat. He wants to impart that with his team na nandito kayo sa PBA, ginagamit kayo, make the most of it.
That's right. You know, and also for you to be able to prolong your career, as well as maybe even entice others to get into you, you have to play a very high quality level of ball game.
Pero namang problema dito ang Blackwater with their season hanging in, with their tournament rather, hanging in the balance. 13 na ang abante ng Barako Bull Energy.
Hindi natin maalis sa Barako dito, Maguel. Magaling sila dumipensa. Obviously, their scouting is very good. They know what the other team is doing offensively. So, you have to have good shooting. You have to have good screening, passing of the ball, and ball movement. Eram hit a jump shot was quite short dito sa kanyang first free throw. Makes the adjustment, wala pa rin. Hanggang 20 pa lamang na-score nila dito sa first quarter. And that's taken a ton of shots here.
Miranda Back on the floor after a short breather. Dave Marcelo offers the pick. Orwella, binabother. Ito si Miranda. Paredes on the move. Out to Denok. Barako nahirapan sa possession na to. Eram clears it para sa Elite. Oh! Chongson had to scamper for this one. First quarter winding down. Chongson to Minor. Has it slapped away. And that'll do it for quarter number 1. Wild sequence to end this quarter, though.
Very frustrating on the part of Blackwater. They could have had an opportunity for a fast break. Actually, they did. But they just weren't able to finish because masyado maaga yung pinasa ni Chongson kay Minor.